WhatsApp deleted messages recovery. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of deletion. If somebody sent you a message and then they unsent that message, you can actually find what message they sent. But if you went ahead and long press on it like this and then you tap the delete option and then you tap on delete chat, you can't recover those messages unless you had chose to back it up. So what happens is that you might have backed up your chats every morning. So first of all, check your backup schedule, tap on the three dots, go to settings, go to chats, then just go to chat backup and see when was the last backup made. In my case, my last backup was not made, but if your last backup was made yesterday or this morning, what you can do is you can try to restore the chats. Whenever you try to log in again, it will give you the option to restore. Not recently, but on the last backup, depending upon the last backup, WhatsApp will give you that option. Now another case is if somebody sent you a message and then they unsent it, we can view that message by using a feature on only Android phones, by the way, called notification history. So open up settings and go to notifications, advanced settings, notification history in the case of my device, and here you'll find any sort of notifications you've received. So if somebody sent you a message on WhatsApp, you'll find that notification here. Now even if they unsent it, you will still be able to locate that particular notifications. So this is the way you can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.